Hey everybody, today we're going to try Pea Kai Rice Crackers seaweed flavor. If you can tell right there, it's Pea Kai Rice Crackers seaweed flavored. Here's the side of the package. Here's one side of the package to open. There's the other side of the package, and then here's the other side, and then here is the back. Excuse me, with the nutrition facts and all the information for Pea Kai and ingredients, and we'll go with the nutrition facts real quick. It says serving size 16 pieces, servings per container about 3, calories 105, calories from fat 10, total fat 0 grams, saturated fat 0 grams, trans fat 0 grams, cholesterol 0 milligrams, sodium 220 milligrams, total carbohydrates 24 grams, dietary fiber less than 1 gram, sugars 2 grams, and protein 3 grams. And then the 4 traditional vitamins and minerals. Vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, and iron. Once again, oops, upside down, Pea Kai Rice Crackers seaweed flavor. Let's open it up and see what we have. Yep, I thought so. I knew it was going to be a little difficult, so I brought the scissors. It helps to have them ready. So they actually come in a tray, obviously, almost like cookies. And pick out the good one here. There we go. There is a seaweed rice cracker. Not obviously it's rice cracker, but they did embed little strips of seaweed in the crackers. There's that one side, and then there's the other. So it looks like it may have been excuse me, an initial baking of the rice cracker, and then applying the seaweed on the outside with some type of liquid to some type of liquid that would actually absorb into the cracker, perhaps, or make it sticky enough to where when they dried the crackers, they stuck, and there's a little bit of an infusion of the flavor as well. That's usually what happens in those types of situations. So let's give it a whiff test real quick. Doesn't smell like much. There is a very slight hint of, I guess, rice cake, a rice cracker, but there's no indication of seaweed. Usually seaweed has a very unique scent, but not this time around. It might be just where it's a little too insignificant, an addition. But let's give it a taste. Wow. The one thing you get right off the bat is the taste of salt. But there's that definitive flavor with that. Obviously, salt being an enhancer of all flavors. That it really enhances. I'm going to use that word again. The seaweed flavor. There's apparently a slight sweetness to it. So whatever the adhesion flavor is, had some type of, it might have had maybe sugar in its base, obviously, or some type of derivative. There's another one. That even has less Less seaweed on it. But surprisingly, these have a very good flavor. I was a little concerned about the place that I purchased them, and on the package the salt content was extreme. You know, usually 220 as in sodium is something that you might get in a McDonald's hamburger or something along that line. So maybe a pack of fries or something. But these are surprisingly good. I want to see if I can't find one that's more generous. Okay. I hazard a guess this one is probably one of the few that are most generous in the seaweed coating in the whole package. Even though the seaweed is almost like a token in its application of the seaweed onto the crackers. There, you know, obviously, once again, there is a taste of it. So I like them very much. If you've ever eaten or consumed seaweed by itself in the little packets prior to actually applying them with rice, that's a little bit of the flavor that you get from these crackers. And so what did I think about these crackers? Well, I've been saying it all along. I'll give it a thumbs up. And with that, this is the end of the video. Like and subscribe. Share with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Take care.